Welcome to Sad Educare. This video we are going to solve a worksheet based on statistic. This is from Unit 2 of Cambridge Learners Book 3. Our question: these are the marks in math obtained by the class 2 students. Complete the frequency table and answer the following questions. Look, here is a table, here is lots of students mark, and this is obtained marks 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40, and here is tally mark. So first here is 20, so this is 20 row, we will mark 1, so this is out. Then 30, we will mark here 30, again 30, so here is 30, 35, here is 35, 40, here is 40, again 40, so here is 40, 25, here is 25, here, okay, 35, so here is 35, again we get 30, so 4 already done, it means 5, 40, here is 40, and finally 25, here is 25. Now look, by TallyMac we can easily find out the frequency. It means here is 3 mark, so frequency is 3. Here is 5 and 1, it means 6. 5, 5, here is 10. 5 plus 2, it means 7. And 4, here is 4. So how many? Look, 9. 9 plus 10 is a 19. 19 plus 7 is a 26. 26 plus 4. So total frequency is 30. Very simple thing. So each row, here is 10, here is 10 and here is 10, total 30. Now we will start question answer. First question: how many students got highest mark? So what is the highest mark? 40 is the highest mark. How many students? 4 students. So we can say 4. Very simple. Next, how many students got lowest mark? What is the lowest mark? If we see frequency table, 20 is the lowest mark. How many students get? 3 students. So we can write 3. Next, which mark is obtained by the most of the students? Frequency table, we can say 10% is the highest frequency and obtained mark 30. So we can say which mark is obtained by the most of the student? 30 mark. 30 mark. And obtained by most student? 10 students. Okay. Next question: how many students are there in class 2? So we already get the result. Number of students is 30. Okay. So our first question answer, it's complete the frequency table and answer the following question. All done. Second question: the students of class 2 visited the school's car parking area and note down the following information. The informations are 2 pink cars, 4 yellow cars, 10 blue cars, 5 white cars and 7 gray cars. Complete the frequency table and answer the following questions. So first, here is colors of cars, second column tally and third column frequency. So pink has 2 cars, so we can write like 2, 1 and 2. 4 yellow car, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 blue cars, so blue 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So 5 and 5, it will be 10. And next 5 white cars, 5 white cars, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. And finally 7 gray cars. 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6 and 7. So from this tally we can write frequency. Here is 2, here is 4, here is 10, 5 and 1 on 2 it means 7, and finally this is 5. Very simple. Now our question, how many cars are parked in the parking area? So if we calculate the frequency, it's the number of cars are 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 10 16, 16 plus 7 16 plus 7 is a 23, 23 plus 5 is a 28. So how many cars? 28 cars. Or we can calculate like 5 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 20, and here is 5 5 5 is a 20, 21, 22, 3 4 5 6 7 8. It means 28 cars. Next question, which color car is the most? By the frequency table we can see the highest frequency is 10, which is blue. So which car is the most? Our answer will be blue, and we can write 10 cars. Okay. And next question, which colored car is the least? It means here is pink color, frequency is 2, which is the least, so we can say pink. 2 cars. Third question of this lecture, use the chart to answer the questions. Numbers of learners in the class. So first week, here is 5 5 5 and 4. It means here is 5 times 3 is a 15, 15 plus 4 is 19% will come first week. However, second week 5 5 10, 5 15, and here is 3, 15 plus 3 is a 18. Third week 5 5 10, 15, 15 5 20, 20, and here is 1 and 1, it means 2, it means 22 students come. Fourth week 15, and fifth week only 12. Okay, so it's a very easy. Next one, our question is, in which week is the number of learners more than 20? So look, this is our tally and these are frequency, right? So what is the highest frequency? Third week, which is 22. So in which week is the number of learners more than 20? Third week. Next, at the number of learners in 5 weeks, what is the total? So we have to calculate the frequency total, right? Total, it will be, so we can make summation. So first 2, we can write here like that, 19 plus 18 plus 22 plus 15 plus 12, right? So we can calculate. So first 2 5 7, 7 plus 2 is a 9, 9 plus 8 is a 17, 17 plus 9 is a 26, it means 6, carry 2. So 1 1 2 2 4 5 6 and this 2, it means 8. So total 86. So what is the total at the number of learners in 5 weeks? So what is the total? Total is 86. Next question, how many more learners were present in the first week than in the fourth week? So how many more? First week come 19% and fourth week 15%. So if we subtract, we will get 4% more learned from first week, from fourth week. So its answer will be 4. Just 19 minus 15. 19 is the learners of first week and 15 is the learners of fourth week. So how many more in first week? 4% more. Last question, how many less learners were present in the fourth week than in third week? Less. So third week come 22% and fourth week come 15%. So difference is 7. So our answer is 7 learners is less than third week. So answer is 7. So here is 7, here is 4, here is 86, and here is third week, which is the highest person come. So no more today. It's a very important video about learner's book 3 and workbook. It's a combined. So tally is a very important topics. So I'm trying to solve 1, 2 and 3 math based on statistics. So this worksheet will be help you for your examination, and my request, if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare. Thank you.